75 years, and it deserves to remain for the community because it represents the ideals of that time. The community deserves to have this as a landmark. It is something to... Ow. And we're removing it from our children's children. You go back here. This is a community theater, and everyone should benefit from this building being
This
here.
is your last warning. I'm not gonna tell you again. We got a permit to take down this building.
Oh, I have a permit that allows me to gather in a public place for the purpose of expressing my constitutionally protected right of free speech.
You wanna get killed, lady?
Sir,
Get out of the way now. I'm telling you. Forget about your code. Forget about all that stuff. Forget about the code, lady. Come on. Get out of the way.
Landmarks Committee's
I'm
decision.
telling you, lady, you're in violation
Have you ever read the Constitution of the United
Hang
States?
it up, Charlie. Watch this Constitution.
You read?
Come on. Yeah, you're clear. Go ahead.
Okay, you guys. This is just a scare tactic. That's all this is.
Yeah, well, it's sort of working.
There. They do productions on the wire here. Productions with little people. The Nutcracker and Hair. We have to lie down and protest. Take out your mats. Take it out. Here, I've got your protective eye gear, your sunblock, and your sweat naps. Everybody, lie down and protest.
You better get out of the way.
We will prevail.
You will go to jail.
Tom! Lock arms.
Not feeling great about this.
Have a little faith, please.
Meryl, would you marry me?
Really? Oh my god! Yes!
Shut us down, Charlie.
I love you.
Hey, you guys, they stopped. Ah, your good luck. There is justice in the world. We prevailed.
Lunatic. Crazy lady.